Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 2 gaming headset, and trust me, you'll want to watch this before making any purchase decision. We have done extensive research to bring you this comprehensive review, and as always, you'll find the link to the best price and the description below. In this video, we'll be evaluating the Arctis Nova 2 based on price, performance, and real-world usage scenarios to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive right in and get started. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova 2 stands out immediately with its exceptional 38-hour battery life, which honestly puts most competitors to shame. This wireless gaming headset features neodymium magnetic drivers that deliver an ultra-detailed sound paired with crystal clear high, pinpoint mids, and deep bass that'll make you feel like you're actually in your game world. The multi-platform wireless connectivity is remarkably versatile, working seamlessly with PC, PlayStation, Switch, and tablets through a portable USB-C dongle, and yes, the thoughtfuls included a USB-C to USB-A cable for older systems. What truly sets this headset apart is the dual audio streams feature, allowing you to connect your mobile device directly for making chats or music with your game audio. It's like having two headsets in one, perfect for those who multitask or need to stay connected while gaming. The 360-degree spatial audio compatibility, including support for Tempest 3D audio on PlayStation 5, creates an immersive experience where you can literally hear enemies approaching from any direction. Moreover, the high-powered noise cancellation is outstanding, deleting any background noise that isn't your voice. Your teammates will appreciate this feature, especially if you game in a noisy environment. The Clearcast Gen dual microphone ensures your voice comes through loud and clear, making it ideal for competitive gamers and streamers alike. The sonar software integration is where things get really interesting. With over 100 game presets and the X-ray hearing feature, you can amplify specific sounds like footsteps and radio ads. It's almost like having legal walkie-talkies. You might as well throw in an embed while you're at IT, because this level of audio advantage feels almost unfair. Additionally, the fast charging capability is impressive. Just 15 minutes of charging via USB-C gives you 6 hours of playtime. For marathon gaming sessions, this feature alone could be a lifesaver. The comfort level is exceptional too, with breathable air cushions and an adjustable steel headband that won't leave you feeling like your head is in a vice after extended use. However, one notable downside is the price point. At its current market value, some users may find it expensive compared to wired alternatives that offer similar audio quality. It's like paying for a 5-star meal when you could get something almost as good at a family restaurant. The quality is there, but you're definitely paying a premium for the wireless convenience and advanced features. Furthermore, while the build quality is generally solid, you might want to treat the adjustment mechanism as like a delicate flower, as some users have reported issues with the plastic components after heavy use. But honestly, for the target audience of serious gamers and content creators who value audio quality and wireless freedom, these minor concerns are easily overshadowed by the headset's remarkable performance. You got it. So, that's it for the best wireless gaming headset on the market for this year. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.